Hi guys, you're watching Cardz TV. This is Mary, and I want to say a big thank you to all those who purchased the Cardz TV September card kit called Fall Fun. I'm sorry to those of you who wanted it and weren't able to get it. It did sell out, but I wanted to go ahead and do some sample cards from that kit today. So we're going to start out with a white card base. This is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. We're going to use a piece of the cinnamon cardstock from the kit. This is 4 by 5 1/4, and then this two-tone orange polka dot paper, and this is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. We get this adhered together and on the card base. Next, we're going to put a border over to the side, and for that, I used another piece of the cinnamon. This is cut at 1 1/8 by 5 1/8, and this little piece is cut at 1 inch by 5 1/8. I'm going to layer these two together and put this right here on the side of the card. I just love the colors in this and the fall look of it. Now I took a scalloped circle die and a stitched circle and cut those out. And if you don't have circle dies, you can use your Cricut, your Silhouette, you can use punches, whatever you have. But I'm going to get these layered together, and I'm going to put some foam tape on the back of this. And this is going to go right down here. Okay, now we're going to put a sentiment on here, and for that, I cut a little banner out of some white cardstock, and I used the card set that came in the kit. This is Many Messages, and I used Happy Thanksgiving, and I stamped that with Memento Tuxedo black ink. And I'm just going to put some art glitter glue in the center of this and get this on the front of that circle. Now to finish off the card, I took the set of Echo Park enamel shapes that comes with the kit, and I picked out this cute little pumpkin, and it's got a flower, some leaves, and a little mushroom or toadstool. And I'm going to put that right there at the top of that sentiment. Love that. And that completes card number 1. For card number 2, we're going to use another 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card base and another piece of that cinnamon cardstock from the kit. This is also cut at 4 by 5 1/4. This is going to be a very colorful card. I used 2 of the papers from the kit, and this piece is going right up here, and this one down here, and these are cut at 3 3/4 inches wide. This one's 1 5/8 high, and I believe this one is 3 5/8 high. I'm going to go ahead and get these adhered to the front of the card. Love those fall colors. Next, I took my favorite stitched scalloped oval die. I cut one out of the cinnamon cardstock, just like in the back here, and then I cut one out of white, a little bit smaller. And I took the Many Messages stamp set from the kit, and I stamped Thinking of You with Memento Tuxedo black ink. I've got this on some foam tape, and I'm going to get this stuck down right here at the bottom. Now, I wanted to decorate this with some of the little leaves that come with the set of enamel shapes that come in the kit. So I took this one little leaf off right here, and I'm going to put that just like that. And I'm going to put another one right there, I think. This little brown one. These are so cute, guys. And then maybe a little flower right up there. There's a yellow flower, and here's one on this little set. And we'll put that up there at the top. Right about there. And that finishes card number 2. Card number 3 was super simple, quick, and easy, guys. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it turned out really pretty. I used the Crisp Autumn embossing folder from the kit. This is from Cardabella. I know you can't see that, so I'm going to show you on the back. It's all these pretty leaves. And I embossed just the front of my card. I just folded it in half, put the embossing folder over it, and ran it through my Big Shot. And I got a beautiful card base. Then I took a stitched square die, cut out a piece of this pretty, it's two-tone yellow polka dot with leaves embossed over it. I cut that out with my stitched square die, and then I just cut a piece of the craft that comes with the kit to mat it behind. I've got this on foam tape, and I'm just going to pop this right in the middle of my card. And as you can see, it's going to be a birthday card, kind of a masculine birthday card. And I got Happy Birthday from the Mini Messages set that comes in the kit. And these little clouds are a couple of Paper Smooches cloud dies that I had. And I've got these two down flat. This one's popped up. So I'm going to get this stuck down with the foam tape, and then I'm going to put that little fox right here and the log right over here. So we'll go ahead and get that done. I decided to go ahead and put the little tree on there that also comes with those enamel shapes, and I love this little scene it created. And that completes card number 3. Here are the 3 cards I created today using the Cardz TV September card kit called Fall Fun. Once again, I apologize to those of you who weren't able to get it, but guess what, guys? The Cardz TV October card kit called Happy Halloween will be out next week. So keep watching for that, guys. But I love every one of these cards. I just love those little enamel shapes. They add so much to the card. Thank you so much, guys, for coming by today and spending some time with me. I hope you've enjoyed this. And if you did, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you'll take a minute and tap that subscribe button. And then hit that little notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon with another card. Bye now.